So hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see how to change lock screen clock on your Vivo T4x 5G. So guys, if you want to change the clock style and customize it, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, you simply go to the option of settings. First of all, you simply go here and simply go to the option of settings. In the settings section guys, go to the option of home screen, lock screen and the wallpaper. So you just click on it. After that guys, you simply move downward and simply click on the lock screen settings. In the lock screen setting, simply click on the option of edit. But guys, here you see that you can first you change the drawer, and if you want to enable always on display, so you just enable it. Otherwise you simply click on this clock, and guys, here you see the multi clocks are here, so you just choose any of them. After selecting, just tap on your screen and select it and tap on the option of apply. Okay, so just click it and check it. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.